Pekudei, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parshah and for the Geulah. This is Article 23 because Parshah's Pekudei is the 23rd Parshah in the order of Parshah readings, starting from Bereshis, and it's the first recording after I arrived in Israel, in Jerusalem, hopefully to move here, and so it's particularly auspicious and interesting because it's Parshah Chodesh, Parshah of the new month, the new renewal, and it's also finishing the book of Exodus, book of Shmos, and so I thought it would be nice to record it outside in the streets of Jerusalem. And so, let's see here. Right. This Parsha is the last Parsha in the book of Shmos and Exodus. It's also a special Shabbos called Shabbos HaChodesh, where we read about the commandment of the new month and the first of the months of the whole year, which is Nisan, coming up. The word Chodesh means month, and it also comes from the word Chadash, which means new, which refers to a renewal that we have each around 30 days, 30 days. The month renews itself, and there's a renewal. But at the same time, we continue along the yearly cycle in our journey throughout the year, which is has an aspect of being the same. We see the same months come over and over again, and basically the same year comes over and over again. And so the very last word in our Parsha of Pekudei is the word Ma'asehem, which means their journeys. And the last verse in Sefer Shmos is Ki Anan Hashem al HaMishkan Yomam Ve'esh Tiyeh Laila Bo Beinei Kol Beis Yisrael B'chol Ma'asehem. For the cloud of the Lord was upon the Mishkan by day, and there was a fire at night before the eyes of the entire house of Israel, and in all of their journeys, entire house of Israel in all of their journeys. B'chol Ma'asehem, Exodus 40:38. The word Ma'asehem has a numerical value of 225. And where is a journey primarily taken? Along a path, a road, or a way. And the word for path, or road, or a way in Hebrew is derech, which has a numerical value of 224. And with a kolel means you include the word itself as in the sum of its and it gives it an extra point. This is an accepted rule in Gematria. It allows you to add the word itself and count as a point. Derech actually equals Ma'asehem, their journeys. And this word in this Gematria is particularly fascinating at this point in time, because my journey to the land of Israel has come in this Parsha. And so you can kind of see my neighborhood here. This is a park. I think this is Gan Atzmaut, but I'm not sure. And there's another word that I didn't write in this, so I'll just say it that it came to mind. The word chazir, which sounds very strange to bring that in, has a connection to the word yachzor. Chazir obviously is a non-kosher animal, and it's something that's what they call forbidden or unclean. However, the Or Achaim in Leviticus chapter 11, verse 7 says the reason why it's called a chazir is because in the future it will become kosher. It's not that the Torah changes, it's that the reality will change. The Torah stays the same. Those are more or less paraphrased. And so Yachzor can have a meaning. The value is the same, 225 Chazir, or if you rearrange letters, it's Yachzor, and that equals Masehem, their journeys. And where do they journey to? They journey throughout one journey after the other, one station after all the 42 stations, and they finally get there. Everyone finally gets there in the end. They Yachzor, they come back home, they come to the promised land. And that's the connection between Masehem, Chazir, which is Yachzor, and Derech, the way. Have a great Shabbos.